Next question: can you make money playing games online? And I mean a game like this, I don't know if you like. So currently I'm playing Monopoly in the hope of making money. Why am I doing this? That's because a certain website promised to send me around 3,000 Kenya shillings if I downloaded the game and played. This is what I'm talking about. So this site, that's Swagbucks, if you sign up, it's free. You can use the link in the description. If you sign up to this site, there are very many ways that you can make money. One of them is surveys, another one is shopping, another one is browsing, another one is watching videos. And the one that got my eye is this one, where you make money playing games. But does it really work? So inside the platform, if you come here, play Monopoly. Now this site is promising to send you 2,500 SP. Now 2,500 SP on this platform is around $25. So if you come to this redeeming point here, if you look at here, for 2,500 SP, you exchange, they give you around $25. $25 is around so let's see, is around how much Kenya shillings? Come on, it's around 3,000. That's almost that 500 Kenya shillings. So they are saying if I download this app and play it, they are going to give me 3,000 Kenya shillings. But what does it take? So first, you have to register for this site. It's free and you get 10 SP for free. The other thing is come to discover, then games. Then you'll find these two games here. So there are two actually. There's play life party bingo, I don't know what that is, but Monopoly got my eye. Yeah, and here all you have to do is give them a link. So to receive a link to download the app, either input your phone number or your email. I actually tried the phone number, but it didn't work, and then I tried the email and it worked. Yeah, then click send. Now these are the rules. First, you have to download the app. Of course, first you have to download the app, and once you reach board 101, you receive your 1,500. So there are some step-by-steps that you have to follow. So let me show you the email. Actually, this is the email. Once you input your email here, this is the email you will receive. Hi there. Tap the link below on your iPhone or iPad or Android to download the game. Now install and open. You must be new user. So if you've played Monopoly before this won't work, then you will receive 2,500 SP within 7 days. Now here are the things you need to do. Top things to know: in-game purchases are available, which means you can use your real money to buy some stuff inside the game. Then you must reach boards that year within the 30 days. What they are talking about is this: board 5. So once you reach board 5, you get 50 SP. Once you reach board 71, you get 1,000. Then once you reach 101, you get 1,500. If you add all of that, it comes up to this amount. Now then the awards will be pending for 7 days. Now that means you won't be able to redeem them for, once you earn all of them, they will stay pending for another 7 days, I guess. I don't know what that means. But what's the most important thing here: once you've downloaded the app and installed, you need to open it within the 10 minutes. So don't wait long. Once you've installed the app, open it within 10 minutes and play around for it. Now once you play around with the app, you will receive another email, this one, that shows their tracking. So we saw you started playing Monopoly. So if you can see here, now they keep track of that. Now for me, as you will see in a minute, I've actually started playing the game. I'm around about 70, I think 85 now, but when I was recording the video, I was like around 71. Yeah, so now when I reach, now since I'm beyond board 5, I've already received my 50 SP. So if you come to activity inside my account, you can see on top of here, you can see reach board 5 SP awarded 50 SP. Yeah, offer details. So these are the details now. things you need to know in game, all that. Now offer details, experience, classic fun anyway with Monopoly code, trade, build, conquer the board with addictive mobile, reach the board levels below within 30 days to receive, and all that stuff. So I've already reached board 5 and looks like it works. I've already received 50 SP, but of course it won't add up here because to remain pending for that time. Now once you've earned all of this 2500, what do you do next? Of course you can continue playing games or you redeem them. Now to redeem your SP, go to your account, come to redeem your SP, come here, choose whichever you want. For me I want PayPal, so click PayPal. Then of course since they are over 2500, I'm sure these will be unlocked, so click this one and then follow the instructions. Remember, once you've redeemed, have done this before, it takes some time, at least at most 3 days for it to reach your PayPal account. Now if you're in Kenya, once it's in your PayPal, you can drop it directly to your M-Pesa. Now let's see the game. Let me show you what it looks like inside the game. Now this is inside the app actually. So I've played Monopoly before, but you know, this on the app, this app looks a little bit confusing, but you know, I just like stumble around. I didn't know actually what I was doing, but it's just easy. All you have to do is you know, click go, and then you know, that thing rolls around and all that. Yeah, but my favorite part of it is the heist. Yeah, the heist. There is the bank heist that you go and steal money from guys, then you go and delete, I mean and of course also demolish. So let me show you how it works. Yeah, but as you can see, I have zero rolls, so I can't roll now. It will just ask me to buy something, which I'm you know, I don't want to do that now, but I have enough cash so I can build. So one of the activities here is building cities. So as you can see, I'm building and I'm using my cash up there. And also now I think what they were saying, what they meant in the email is the board 5. I think this is it. These are the boards, I think. This is what you're seeing here, the net worth actually. So I'm at now 70. Yeah, so that means I've earned so far and 1000 SP. Yeah, so 1000 SP, that's around $10. Yeah, yeah, and just like that you build a city and you get rewards. Yeah, so let's see what they are going to give me. Now I've built a lot of cities, so now we are going to, where is this city actually? So this is Paris. Yeah, and I received 50, which means I can now roll. So let me roll now, collect all the rewards, and as you can see now I have 80/40. So now for me, so you can just so there's still multiplier, all rewards times 3. So every time you get a reward, they multiply it by 3. So I think you unlock that as you progress with the game. So let me click now, go. So that they roll the dice, and then I think you add whatever that is, and then it goes. Yeah, you roll again, it goes. Now for me, I've unlocked the auto, so I just hold it and then it turns green, and then it just keep going until I exhaust. So I'm in jail now. I think, oh boy, 6,000. That's a lot of money, man. You're stealing from me. So let's see. Okay, as I told you, my favorite part of this game is the heist. Yeah, you just have to pick some things, you know, to match, and then, you know, yes, I think that's it. Let's see. Yes, that's the heist. Yes, so this is the bank heist, guys. So I have to match. As you can see, they multiplied the amount. So as you can see here, I have to match 3 rings, these 3 bundles of cash, then 3, I don't know what these coins mean, so I have to go picking, guessing, Okay, so as you can see, I now have 2 so I really have to be careful because it's as a matter of making 72k and all that. Yes, I just got 48k. Yeah, so that's the beauty of, that's the addictive part of this game. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope this helps you. If you want to keep earning, just go download and play this game, just to pass time.